Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking to you about SunTrust Bank, and more specifically, I'm going to walk you through a few ways that you can order checks for SunTrust. So a check is a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then the person that you're paying deposits the check. Once they've done that, the money will be taken out of your account and then deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you'll need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your bank account number and routing number on it. So first, you're going to want to open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, any browser really. Whatever browser you normally use will work perfectly fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the website and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, suntrust.com. You can also check out the description for the link to SunTrust. So the first way to order checks is going to be to log into your SunTrust bank account online. To do that, scroll down just a little bit on this main page and click on Online Banking Sign On. That's going to open a new tab where you can enter your user ID and your password. If you don't have a user ID and password, there's an option under the Sign On button where it says Sign Up Now. Here you can follow the instructions on the screen to set up a username and password and set up your online banking account. Once you're in, you're going to want to click on banking options and order checks online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be to call the customer service number for SunTrust Bank. You should be able to find this number located on the back of your debit card. Another way that you could probably find the phone number is going to be by looking for a Contact Us page on the SunTrust website. That can sometimes be a little tricky, but usually a good place to start when looking for that phone number is going to be by scrolling to the very bottom of the main page. So if you happen to know of another way that you can find the customer service number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that sometimes there will be an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that is something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, simply go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for SunTrust Bank. I've already got this tab up, and I've typed in order replacement checks for SunTrust in the search bar, and as you can see, it brings up just quite a few different websites that you can order your checks from. Bradford Exchange Checks, Checks Unlimited. Do be aware that the security features and prices to order checks online from these third-party vendors will vary. And if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order replacement checks for SunTrust from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check copy will come in handy because you will need to have your exact SunTrust bank account number and routing number. Unlike when you order checks from the SunTrust Bank website or the customer service number, those numbers are not automatically loaded, so you need to provide those yourself. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and make sure to check out the description for more information on SunTrust Bank.